what are the challenges in patenting AI innovations? AI patents face unique hurdles due to their often abstract nature. AI is really a subclass of software, and software in the past 3 or 4 years have been subject to increased scrutiny under what is called the Alice Patentability Subject Matter Test. Roughly about 63% of all AI patent applications face initial rejections due to subject matter eligibility. The Alice test, established in 2014, has significantly impacted software and AI patentability. Post-Alice, there was a 31% increase in patent rejections in the software-related inventions. And of course, AI is a part of software. So let's drill down a little bit more on what is the Alice test. The Alice test came out of the Alice Corporation versus CLS Bank International case. In 2014, the U.S. Supreme Court decision redefined the criteria for patent-eligible subject matter. This decision was based on the concept that abstract ideas are not patentable. For example, in the old days, if you tried to patent a formula, a math formula, that would be rejected as improper subject matter because they don't want to give you a patent on a law of nature because it would block out entire fields. In Alice Corp, the Supreme Court outlined a two-step Alice framework. Step number 1 in the framework determines if the claims are directed to an abstract idea. So for example, if you were claiming how to improve filing of cards, that's something that's basically a human activity. When you file the cards and you sort them for sequence, a patent application directed at improving the filing of business cards would be subject to the Alice rejection. And Step 2 then assesses whether the claims contain an inventive concept. So the Alice rejection had a significant impact on software as a whole and AI patents also. The Alice decision led to a 60% drop in the number of business method patents issued. AI-related patent applications face a 50% higher rejection rate compared to the overall average because of the one-on-one as an extra hurdle that the software has to go through. So next we will discuss how the factors that go into your AI patent application that would anticipate and handle the Alice rejections. So when the patent office looks at a particular claim, they determine if the claim falls into a statutory category and does not recite any judicial exceptions. The claim might be viewed as ineligible if it recites a judicial exception, i.e. an abstract idea, and the claim as a whole does not integrate the exception into a practical application, and thus is directed at an abstract idea. And the claim does not provide significantly more the exception, i.e. does not provide the inventive concept. So the significantly more than the exception basically requires detail of how the software operates that is more than just the application of AI to solve a problem. You may want to go more of the operation, the structure, the architecture of the neural network to address this inventive concept issue. Next, we talk about strategies in preparing an AI patent application. The first step is you should identify patentable AI innovations. Focus on AI applications that solve specific technical problems, not just the generality of applying AI to improve whatever it is in your field, because that would be abstract. You should also emphasize improvements in computer functionality or efficiency. So for example, if you are a compression software and if you can show that your particular AI approach results in a 2x improvement in the compression ratio, that's significant and shows improvement in computer functionality or efficiency. Alternatively, if you can show that your AI improvement reduces memory usage, that's an improvement in computer functionality or efficiency. So think about those issues when you collect your information for the lawyers to prepare. In drafting the specific claims, the claims should emphasize technical implementations rather than the abstract concept of applying AI to solve the problem, because that's abstract. You should include specific hardware elements and data processing steps in the claims. Those details provide this inventive concept that we discussed earlier. We need to pay attention to the specification writing. Provide concrete examples of how AI architectures and training processes are used or are done in your particular invention. Don't say that, hey, we just use GPT to solve our business problem, because that would be viewed as a business methodology, and again, it would be rejected under Alice. You should include detailed flowcharts and pseudocode to illustrate the AI operation. Inherent in that you're expecting a rejection under Alice, then you need to have strategies to overcome expected Alice rejections. So first, emphasize technical solutions to technical problems. You need to clearly articulate how the AI invention solves a specific problem, a technological problem. And you should demonstrate a measurable improvement over conventional methods. Next, you should highlight improvements in computer functionality. Show how the AI enhances the computer's operation or efficiency, and quantify the improvements in the processing speed, the accuracy, the resource utilization, or even the quality of the output. You should show integration with physical component as well. Illustrate how the AI interacts with hardware elements to produce tangible results. Emphasize the transformation of physical data or control of physical devices, and that will help you address the Alice rejection. As far as the claims, you should focus on specific AI algorithm and structures. Detail your unique neural network architecture or machine learning models used in the claim. You should describe novel features of the AI system that differentiate it from the conventional approaches, right? And you can also focus on the training processes and data pre-processing. Highlight innovative training methodologies or data preparation technique. Explain how these processes contribute to the improved performance of the computer. You should also emphasize your unique input-output transformation. So if all you do is you just get your learning machine to create a better report, that's going to run into this transformation test. You should describe how the AI system processes input in a non-conventional manner and highlight the practical utility of the AI's output in solving real-world problems. We hope that this discussion offers data-driven insights or strategic considerations to guide you in successfully filing and getting your patents on AI technology. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us at www.patentpc.com. Thank you.